Chris here with High Seas Cruising. Welcome to today's video and another episode of what every cruiser wants. And boy, are they entitled this week. So let's jump right on here with our first comment. Now this first one, it's all about the money. Or at least they believe it should be all about the money. But let's take a look at this comment. I read the comments, John, and I really feel that Carnival may have missed the boat, pun intended, when it comes to our crappy loyalty programs. It should be run more like a point system. You earn points for each dollar you spend on board and the type of cabin that you book. The more you spend on the cabin, the more points you get. Then have ways to earn bonus points, such as using the Carnival Cruise Line credit card or bonus points for spending a certain level on board in the bar, casino, etc. These points should go to your next level, or you can spend them on meals in the steakhouse, credit for upgrades. In other words, the loyalty program should be based on dollars spent like hotels and other cruise lines do. First, what other cruise lines base the loyalty programs on the amount of money that you spend? All the ones I've seen base the loyalty programs on the number of days that you sail. So if there's one out there basing it on points and dollars spent, y'all are gonna have to let me know in the comments which one that one is. But beyond even that, I mean, to me this just comes off as snobby. Is your nose that high up in the air? So you're telling me that the family that spends all year saving their money, saving their vacation time, so they can book that once-in-a-lifetime cruise that maybe they can take once every couple of years. They get themselves maybe an ocean view cabin or even a balcony cabin. They are worth less than you if you stay in a suite. Their loyalty is less important than yours because they don't stay in a better category of room. Their loyalty is less important than yours because they don't spend as much money at the bar or they don't gamble. I really got to ask, what is wrong with people that they think that what they do is so much more important than what somebody else or may even be able to do? Not everybody can book a suite. Not everybody can afford to book even a balcony room. Okay, but that doesn't make those cruisers less loyal, less important, or any less to the success of the cruise line they book with just because they may not spend as much money as you. And comments like this to me are complete BS. But you guys let me know in the comments below, what do you think? Should it be a dollar-based system? Are those poor people who book inside cabins because maybe that's what they can afford, are they really worth less? Because I don't think so. So on to our second comment. And my question about this comment is going to be, really? Is this something that you yourself even do at home? Or is this just something that your nose is in the air again and you expect it? And of course, they have to throw in the loyalty level that has to have the word diamond in it. It must, because it seems like a lot of these entitled comments, nose in the air comments, come from these type of people. But let's take a look. On both blank cruise line companies, they changed the bed linen after 2 days. Both trips were 7-day cruises, and we got fresh bed linen 3 times. Horrified to have to discover that Carnival cabin stewards will only provide fresh bed linen once on a 7-day similar cruise. Your gratuity level is too high, and now this new policy. Say goodbye to many diamonds. So my first question is, does this individual change their bed linen every 2 days at home? Did this individual even ask the cabin steward to change the bed linen more often? Or is this just a person who's going, but I'm a diamond and it's not the way I want it, so I'm gonna quit? Or is that the case? You guys let me know in the comments below, because I'm curious. How many people out there change the sheets at home every single 2 days? Or is it, once, maybe twice a week, like the cruise lines do it? I'm curious to know, because at my house, we don't change it every 2 days. Tiffany washes the sheets like once a week. changes them out unless, of course, they get dirty or something in between. Something happens to them and they need to be washed. And I personally have never jumped on a cruise and goes, oh my God, they haven't changed my sheets in 2 days. But people got to complain. They got to write in about something. But you guys let me know what you think below. So for the third comment, again, we have a little elitism here. A little bit of what we saw in last week's video. Remember, nobody uses refrigerators. Everybody wants shoe racks. Well, we got a little bit more of that, but of course, we got But I'm a Diamond. Let's take a look at this one. Curious, do any passengers actually use the wash line that goes across the shower? Seems like a waste of money to me. They seem to be put on every ship. I'm guessing it's one of those things that you guys keep putting on the ship without actually bothering to see if they are being used. Just trying to save you guys some money, which you can spend instead on Carnival's loyalty program for diamonds. Just saying. So I'm sure you guys know what they're talking about. You have the cord that goes across the shower. You hang your wet swimsuits on it. Towels when you come in off of shore excursions, things like that, hang them in the shower to dry. We use it all the time. We use it every single cruise. That's where we hang up the wet stuff. But according to this person, it's a complete waste of money. They wonder if anybody actually even uses this. So Carnival shouldn't put it in. Instead, Carnival should take that money and spend it on diamonds. Not any other loyalty program. Not any other thing that would benefit every passenger on the ship, just diamonds. Because it seems like the more and more of these comments that we read, there's something wrong with some of these people. And I have to ask myself, because, I'm moving up the loyalty program. And as I move up the loyalty program, I don't feel that I am any better than any other passenger on the ship. I don't feel that I'm better than that brand new family that's come on board with their Carnival Blue card, okay, or their first time passenger card, whatever cruise line it is. I don't feel that I am better than any of them. So why is it that it seems like these diamond folks think that their stuff don't stink, that they're at the top of the altar and we must all look upon them with awe because they're diamond and we must cater to them? I just don't get it, do y'all? I don't understand where that mentality is coming from. But enough of that. The question, of course, is going to be, do you use the clothesline in the shower to hang your wet stuff? We do. I'm curious to know if anybody else uses it, or should Carnival rip it out and give that money to diamond passengers? You guys let me know what you think in the comments below. And that's going to be our What Every Cruiser Wants today. At least every diamond cruiser seems to want today. And that's a joke. I know not every diamond cruiser is like this. This is 1 out of 100, 1 out of 1,000. I get that. I have met plenty of diamond passengers that are wonderful, wonderful people and are just happy to be on the ship, just happy to cruise. They've just cruised a bunch and their loyalty level is higher, but they don't treat anybody any differently. It's just a select few, one duck in the pond, ruining it for all of the others. But I hope everyone out there has enjoyed today's video. If you have, do me a favor, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't done so, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button. It is free to do so. Helps our channel grow, and of course, we'll let you know anytime we put out a new video, especially What Every Cruiser Wants. Hope everyone out there has a really great day, and like always, we will see you out on the high seas.